All right, here's my weekly outlook for Euro USD and GJ GBPJPY. So what am I actually expecting for Euro USD? Well, me looking at this, it turns out that we are bearish. But not just that, where actually is my key levels and what is my point of interest? Now looking at this, we have an order block here. Look at this, was actually the initial order block that caused this move. Then price created another order block. So I'm going to mark this order block out. Let me mark this order block. So now on marking this, I'm going to transpose to the daily time frame. Let me go to the daily time frame to see what is actually happening there. All right. So on the daily time frame, it turns out that the weekly order block I mark is actually also an order block on the daily time frame. Look at this order block, and then the other block overlaps this fair value gap here. So looking at this, I'm going to draw my fib. So it turns out that we are actually in discount. Yeah. So I'm going to draw my fib, and this is my fib. Yes, so look at this, we are in discount, so I'm going to expect price to retrace into premium. So I'm going to expect price to do something like this, retrace this premium, this is my premium, and then you can have further sales. This is actually the daily time frame, so I'll transpose to my lower time frame like 15 minutes, and when I see a valid break of structure in line with this, and then I can actually take some shots without wasting much time. Let me actually go to GJ and see what GJ has to offer. So for GJ, it turns out that the daily time frame is consolidating, even the weekly time frame is consolidating. But then look at this, this is an order block, and then this order block created a large fair value gap. So all this why it could be that, or it's that price is just reacting off this large fair value gap. That's what price is just doing all this why. So look at this, price is reacting off this large fair value gap. So price could retest this fair value gap one more time and then continue selling further. So that's that for GJ.